edit afterwards. Right, bef320. Okay, first of all, connecting it to a three-phase supply. Three-phase supply from the wall connects onto there. Should have a red power switch on. Twist, or make sure that that is twisted, and press your power button. You want to make sure that the motor is going around the arrow direction. If it's not, switch it off, open that up, and if you look down inside, you can see a flat bladed screwdriver goes down in between the pins, turns it, and that turns your phases over. Reconnect your power supply, check you've got your red light on, twist it, start it, and that fan should be spinning the way of that arrow. Another way to check it is with your forward direction. So forward, turn that. If it's working correctly, the right phases, it'll travel forwards and travel backwards. Once your machine's up and working, set it to lower all the way down. It shouldn't be in surface contact. It only happens in surface contact when you pull the pin and trim the wheel. And you trim that while the machine is travelling forward. Once you've set it to where it needs to be as a depth, turn and make sure that locks in place. Then you can plane forwards, plane backwards, and then when you want to finish, you've done your job for your shift, press raise, the machine will come up off the floor, ready for next time. When you start it next time, just drop it down to lower and it'll only go down to what this is set for. This is not an adjustment wheel other than for trimming. This is all done from this control. Dust control comes in through there, hose goes down underneath to the back of the cutters. If you get any times where the dust control isn't working, just check you haven't picked up a plastic bag or something is blocked up inside that. Switching the machine off, switch it off, isolate it. If at any time you've got problems and you may have tripped the trip, make sure that is switched off, open the box up, and make sure that that is in that position up and not down as tripped. There are other devices in there at the same time which can be pressed, but only under instructions from ourselves. Speed control on the machine. The right speed needs to be set for the machine. Too fast can be just as bad as too slow. So clockwise and it goes slower, anti-clockwise and it goes faster. And the machine can be operated forward and reverse and can be used for the skid steer action.